Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make zucchini pie. Let's start by gathering our essential ingredients. You'll need 2 medium zucchini, roughly 1 1/2 pounds, along with 1 cup of all-purpose flour. Don't forget 1/2 cup of grated Parmesan cheese, 1/2 cup of vegetable oil, and 4 large eggs. Also, have ready 1/2 cup of chopped onion and 2 cloves of minced garlic for that perfect savory touch. Now let's prepare our star ingredient. Grate your zucchini and gently squeeze out any excess moisture. This step is crucial for a firm pie. In a separate large bowl, whisk together 1 cup of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Then, add 4 large eggs, 1/2 cup of vegetable oil, and 1/4 cup of milk, mixing until just combined. Finally, fold in the prepared zucchini, onion, and garlic. It's time to get baking. First, preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 190 degrees Celsius. Next, generously grease a 9-inch pie plate or an 8 by 8-inch baking dish. Carefully pour the zucchini mixture evenly into your prepared dish. Bake for approximately 40 to 50 minutes, or until the top is beautifully golden brown and a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Your delicious zucchini pie is ready. Allow it to cool for at least 10 minutes before slicing. This helps it set perfectly. You can enjoy this versatile pie warm, either as a delightful savory side dish or a light, satisfying main course. For an extra touch, garnish with fresh herbs like parsley or chives. Any leftovers can be stored in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.